What's going on today, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go over a quick review of the SuperPro rear lower control arm for a 2019 STI. As you can see, the SuperPro is blue in color. It's got a outer cam adjuster bolt. You retain and use some of your factory hardware from your factory control arm. I've had these on here now for about 2,500 miles. Interesting thing about the SuperPro control arms are the bushings. Have a lifetime guarantee on them. I haven't had any issues out of it as far as squeaking or squealing. Sometimes those poly bushings can squeal if you don't grease them often or keep grease on them. They'll make odd sounds here and there, but I haven't had any issues. You do get grease with the setup that comes in the box. The paint is pretty weather resistant. As far as the adjustment goes, I don't run extreme camber. We're talking -1, 1.1 rear. The control arms, in my opinion, can even help factory suspension because there's zero adjustment on the factory control arms. Factory setup sitting right here. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing spectacular about the factory control arm. It's even got rubber bushings and such in it. I know there's some expensive control arm options out there. The SuperPros are, I think, your best buy for a lower control arm if you're just doing street use or, moderate autocross. If you're full on track, then that's just a whole different territory that I'm not familiar with, and some of those expensive options may be better suited for what you need. Just for the everyday driver, mountain carver, autocross, not too serious track guy, I really think you can't go wrong with the SuperPros for what they offer. If you found this helpful at all or like the content, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.